In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Smartsheet. Filters are one of the fastest ways to cut through a busy sheet and focus on exactly what matters. Whether you're tracking projects, tasks, or contacts, the process is simple and consistent. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Sign in if you aren't already, and give the page a moment to load. You'll land on your home area where you can access all your work. Next, head to your workspace. You'll find workspaces in the left-hand navigation panel. A workspace is like a folder that groups related sheets, reports, and dashboards for you and your team. Click into the workspace that contains the sheet you want to work with. Open the sheet you want to filter. You'll see the familiar grid view with your columns at the top and rows below. Make sure you're looking at the data you want to narrow down because filters only affect the sheet you have open. At the top of the sheet, look for the toolbar with icons and options that control your view. Now, click the filter option. It typically looks like a small funnel icon near the top of the sheet. This opens the filter panel where you can manage existing filters or create a new one. If you haven't created any yet, the panel will be blank and ready for you to start. Choose Add Filter to begin building your criteria. This creates a new filter rule set. You'll see fields where you can define what the filter should look for. If you're just doing a quick view for yourself, a simple ad hoc filter works great. Select the column you want to filter by. For this example, choose the name column. After picking the column, select the condition you want to use, such as contains is exactly or starts with. Contains is a great choice if you're not sure of the exact spelling or if you want to match part of a name. In the value field, search for the name you're interested in. Type a few characters and Smartsheet will suggest matches, or you can type the full name. As soon as you confirm, your sheet will update to show only the rows that meet your condition. This makes it easy to focus on specific people or items without scrolling through everything. That's it, you've filtered your sheet. If you need to broaden your view again, return to the filter panel to adjust or turn off the filter. With this workflow, you can quickly zero in on the information you need and keep your projects moving smoothly.